Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a gradient background in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi, which makes it very easy to add background gradients to any section, row, or module. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want to add the gradient. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Hover over the section you want to change and click on the settings icon. This will open the section settings panel. Inside the settings, go to the background tab. Here you will see options for solid colors, gradients, images, and even videos. Click on the gradient option. By default, Divi will add 2 colors, but you can add more if you want. Choose your first color, then your second color, and you will see the gradient appear instantly in the background of your section. You can control the direction of the gradient using the gradient direction slider. For example, set it to 90 degrees for a left-to-right gradient or 180 degrees for top-to-bottom. Divi also allows you to adjust the start and end positions of each color stop for a more customized look. If you want the gradient to overlay an image, you can go to the Background Image tab and add an image. Then choose whether the gradient should sit on top of the image or underneath. This is a great way to blend colors with a background photo. Once you are happy with the gradient, click the green checkmark to save your settings. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page to see your gradient background live. This is one of the simplest ways to give your WordPress site a modern and colorful design. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.